Hey guys, are you want to buy best braided USB-C cables for durability? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best braided USB-C cables for durability that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Durcord USB-C Cable. This USB-C cable set stands out with its thoughtful anti-slip design, making plugging and unplugging easier than ever. Available in assorted lengths, it's perfect for any situation, whether you're relaxing on the sofa, in bed, or riding in the back seat. Enjoy fast and safe charging with 5 volts, 3A output and data. Transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, certified for safety, and built to last. Each cable features durable nylon braiding and an aluminum housing that withstands over 10,000 bends. Compatible with all USB-C devices, including the latest phones, this cable is a reliable choice for everyday use. Backed by a 365-day worry-free warranty and responsive customer service, you can count on quality and support when it matters most. Now our second product is Lisen USB-C Cable. This 240W USB-C to USB-C cable is a powerhouse designed for next-gen devices, like the MacBook M4, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, powered by PD 3.1 and EPR chip technology. It delivers blazing fast, charging up to 240 West and 480 Mbps data transfer. Built for durability, it withstands 40,000 plus bends and 175 pounds tension, making it 30x tougher than standard cables. The extra-long 6.6 feet length offers flexibility for charging in bedrooms, cars, or offices without tangling, thanks to its military-grade nylon braiding. Note: this cable is not compatible with iPhones using Lightning connectors and does not support video output. Future-proof and universally compatible with USB-C devices. This 2-pack ensures you're ready for work, travel, and daily use. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive support, it's a high-performance solution built to last. Our third product is INIU USB-C Cable. INIU's 240 West USB-C to USB-C cable is a game-changer for fast, safe charging. With industry-leading EMARK 2.0 technology and dynamic temperature monitoring, it delivers reliable CDO, fire-safe performance backed by INIU's trusted 3-year warranty. Charge your iPhone 15 to 71% in just 30 minutes or power up your MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, or Samsung S23 at record-breaking speeds. Engineered for universal compatibility, it works flawlessly with all USB-C devices, from laptops and tablets to Steam Decks and switches. Built using premium materials and tested by over 38 million users worldwide, it's a future-proof, high-performance cable that doesn't compromise on safety. Just pair it with a compatible USB-C fast charger to unlock its full potential. Whether at home, work, or on the go, charge faster, safer, and smarter with INIU. Now number 4, JSAUX USB-C Cable. The JSAUX USB-C cable delivers impressive 3.1A fast charging and 480 Mbps data transfer, offering speeds up to 25% faster than standard 5 volts 2.4A cables. Designed with certified electronic safety standards, it features upgraded 3D aluminum connectors and laser welding to prevent breakage. The cable's nylon braided exterior and strong fiber core provide superior durability, surviving over 40,000 bends for long-lasting performance. It's compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including iPhone 15, 16 Series 7, 5 West, Galaxy S25, S24, S23, PS5 controllers, and more. For full-speed fast charging on certain Samsung and Pixel models, A QC AFC charger is recommended. Each pack includes two 6.6 feet cables, ideal for charging at home, in the office, or on the go. Reliable, durable, and efficient, this cable is a smart choice for everyday use. And our last choice is Anchor USB-C to USB-C cable. The Anchor 310 USB to USB-C cable offers trusted performance from a brand powering over 80 million users worldwide. Designed for safe, reliable charging, it's USB-F certified and compatible with nearly all USB-C devices. With support for up to 15 West 3A 5 volts fast charging and 480 Mbps data transfer speeds. It handles everyday needs with ease. Note: not compatible with power delivery. Built to last, the braided design endures over 10,000 bends in rigorous lab testing, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. The 6 feet length adds convenience for charging at home, work, or in the car. Each pack includes 2 cables, backed by Anchor's 24-month worry-free warranty and responsive customer support. A reliable and durable option for anyone seeking quality without compromise. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.